Alright guys, we're going to try the ENGWE out here on the Boston Trailhead. Now some of this is still closed. So going toward Pittsburgh, I think is closed still. I'm not sure because there's a sign over there. But going this way toward DC, I think is open. Just not sure. They've been working on this. I'm going to just try it out for a little bit. We got the ENGWE. So we'll try it out. Says trail closed, no trespassing, but I see piles of people on here riding. So we'll give it a little shot here for a couple of minutes. Just see riding the scooter out on this thing. Yeah, that'd be great, right? At least this thing has some shocks. Okay, so we got some shocks here on the ENGWE. Well, it looks like they're doing some major amount of work, so I don't really know how far I'm going to be going here. I don't know if they're widening this or I don't know. No, they probably don't know what they're doing. So this trail out here isn't as good as the ones closer to the city, because those are concrete. These are a little train station. These are like crushed sandstone or something. What are they doing to this thing is why it's closed?
They put the pipe in there. They buried a pipe.
Oh, okay, thanks. Alright, so now we know what the deal is. There was some trail plumbing. What are you going to do, right? Not really getting any speed going on here, guys. This is really a slow type of a trail here, but I've never been on this trail this way, so I'm just doing some recon here. So I don't think I'll be coming back. They might have this thing closed all summer, you know, to put this pipe in here. Who knows? Yeah, this is a slow as you go type of trail here. you're not going to get a lot of speed going on out here. But, you know, I'm doing this not for that anyway. I'm looking for places to shoot drone videos, so that's basically what this is about. Now you can drive down, and there's trailheads down the way here, and you can drive to them and park, you know, park and ride type places like this is. And, oh yeah, it's starting to get mucked up here. That's what the girl said. You know, there would be hay on the ground and there would be a sign. So, yeah, it's starting to get pretty bad. Alright, I'm going to turn around. I'm not going to go through all this garbage. We'll just go back. Okay, so the ENGWE held up pretty good off the trail there. By the way, I'm only doing like 12 miles an hour. So you're wondering how fast I'm going. That's where I'm going. And I did bring my tire pump just in case this ENGWE tire took a dump. But so far it held up. I'm at 1.5 miles. So this is basically going to be a 2-mile trip here and back. Because it's just too rough here. I'll just have to go back over by Kennywood or something. Get that trailhead. There's a trailhead over there at Homestead. I'll just go over there. But this ENGWE, it rides good, man. It rides nice. It's okay for about a mile. And then it gets really like this everywhere. I mean, real rocky, and the terrain's pretty rough. All right, guys.